Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm going to be making my parrot I'm going to be making my parrot fly. So yeah, let's get started. Yes, feed it. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes, it will. It will have double wings. Oh my gosh. Oh, actually it won't. Whoa. Guys, it looks like it's just like the broom. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm getting so much trade requests. Oh, yes, deal. Nope. So I'm going to be making a neon parrot. So basically so yeah. Guys, they have so many cool pets. He declined. Let's see about this dude. Okie dokie. What about, please add in a neon parrot. Oh, he just declined. That's fine, actually. So basically I made my not my neon parrot. I made my parrot fly. So yeah, bye guys.